Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to install and configure PostgreSQL Server 18.4 on Fedora Linux 44. But the process is same on all Fedora versions. Okay, first open the default web browser that comes with Fedora Linux 44, that is Firefox. Then go to PostgreSQL official website, it is postgresql.conf. See here, at the time of making this video, the latest release is 18.4. Then click on download or click on this download, both are same. Then select Linux. Then see here we don't have the Fedora, but click on this Red Hat or Rocky or Alma Linux. See here the PostgreSQL M repository currently supports RHL, Rocky Linux, Alma Linux and Fedora. Scroll down. Now select the platform. See here we have the Fedora version 44. Then select the architecture. Then select the PostgreSQL Server version number 18. See, once we selected, populated the list of the commands that needs to be executed to install PostgreSQL Server. So copy these commands one by one. First it is going to install repository RPM. So open terminal, paste that, hit enter, provide the password, hit enter. This is done. Control A. Next, install PostgreSQL Server. Sudo dnf install PostgreSQL version number 18-server. If you want to install 17, just give 17. It is up to you. Then hit enter. Type in, hit enter again. See, it is going to install PostgreSQL Server 18 and these dependencies. Type A for confirmation, hit enter. We have successfully installed PostgreSQL Server. Control A. Next, verify the status of the PostgreSQL Server. Sudo systemctl status PostgreSQL -18. If you don't give the version number, it won't work. See, service not found, so we have to give -version number. See, PostgreSQL Server is installed, but it is not started and disabled. Go to Git. Before starting, we have to initialize the database by running this command. It is done. Now enable and start the PostgreSQL Server. Sudo systemctl enable PostgreSQL -18. Now start the service. Now verify the status. Sudo systemctl status PostgreSQL -18. Sudo systemctl status PostgreSQL -18. Hit enter. See, PostgreSQL Server is started and its service status is enabled. And see here, these are the PIDs for the PostgreSQL Server. This is the data directory, logger PID, IO worker, checkpointer, background writer, wall writer, auto vacuum launcher and logical replication launcher. Okay, quit. Control A. Now we have to connect to PostgreSQL Server. Sudo su-postgres PSQL. See, we have connected to PostgreSQL Server, but this is not the version of the PostgreSQL Server. It is PSQL client version. To verify the version of the PostgreSQL Server, we have to run the command select version. See, we have connected to PostgreSQL Server version number 18.4. The first step after connecting to PostgreSQL Server is we have to set the password for the Postgres user, super user, that is Postgres. Before that, verify list of users /du. See, we have only one user, that is Postgres, which is having super user and these privileges. You can also get the list of the users by running select username from pg_user. See, we got the same. Now set the password for this user. Alter user Postgres with password. Whatever is there in single or double quotes, it is the password. Okay, we have successfully set the password. Now we will create database. Before that, verify list of databases by running the command \l. See, these are the default databases that comes with PostgreSQL Server installation. Create database See, we have created database bank, and this is the one of the database. Now switch to this database and create a table. To switch to database, we have to use /c or connect, then provide the name of the database. See, you are now connected to database bank as user. Postgres control L to clear screen. Now verify list of tables. See, you don't have any tables, so create table. See, you have created table customer in public schema, and this is the one of the table. Now insert some data into this table. See, we have inserted these rows. Now we will create user. As I told you, whatever is there in singular double quotes, it is the password. See, we have created a user David. Now exit from the current session and connect to PostgreSQL server with this new user. /q is the command to exit. PSQL-h means hostname. PostgreSQL server is installed on this one, so localhost is fine. Then -u must be caps. Then username is David -d means database Postgres. Then provide the password. Again, I am telling you, whatever is there in singular double quotes, that is the password. Hit enter. See, we have successfully connected. Now verify the currently logged in user. Select current _user. See, we have connected to PostgreSQL server with the user David. Now try to access the database that you have created in this server. See, you are now connected to database bank as user David. Now try to run the query against the table that is there in this database. See, permission enough for table customer, because we have created user but haven't granted any privileges. That's why you have received this error. So exit. Until now we have connected PostgreSQL server by using PSQL client. We can also connect PostgreSQL server by using pgadmin or db. Those are the most popular tools. You can search for my YouTube channel how to install both on Fedora Linux 44. The last option that I want to show you is connect to PostgreSQL server again. PSQL. Now you will find the config and data directory and log directory locations. So config_file. This is the file which contains PostgreSQL server level configuration parameters. Another file is show HBA_file. This contains host-based authentication file, host-based authentication rules. Another one is show ident_file. See, all three are in the same directory. Now we will find the data directory. Show data_direct. See, this also same. Log directory, show on log_direct. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to install and configure PostgreSQL server 18.4 on Fedora Linux 44. Okay, for more PostgreSQL or Linux tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.